So hi everybody, a very good morning. 10:50. Yes, by the watch. I'm Jashin Kapani. It's a Thursday. I'm the founder and CEO of Decon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And my video or my share presently on this beautiful morning of rains in Delhi NCR is about being joyful. And why do I emphasize about being joyful and being happy and stuff? Let me read out a few lines to you. Joy at work sparks joy in life. So this is a true story of a guy who shared with me that his job doesn't give him any kind of social influence. So he says, "I'm just trying to make a living." And to talk about work, sparking joy is any which ways out of my league because I am literally surviving, and I'm working for, as most people do, paying bills and other liabilities and stuff like that. And uh, I mean, that got me thinking also that do we work only for paying our bills and earning money and stuff? I don't believe so. Personally and professionally speaking, I think work offers us more than just the monies and the salaries and everything. We are there to kind of learn. We are kind of there to deliver. We are there to kind of represent our brand and our companies. We are there to bring business and stuff, and we are also there to grow as people and connect the dots and stuff like that. And if you can think beyond yourself and the salaries and the money and stuff, you can actually bring about a big change, and probably you can become a founder or a CEO, or you can actually become an entrepreneur where you're actually offering solutions to the world and stuff like that. And you're literally taken a little more seriously in life and stuff by people and the world around, and you're actually making a difference in the lives of a lot of people and stuff. So as I got thinking about this, I'm reminded of a story, which I had shared many years back, that there was a lady who used to only do homework and household chores and stuff like that. So the children asked her, "Why do you look so happy when you're doing the home chores and everything?" And she said, "If I don't do that, the backbone or the backbone of the house is going to fall down, and not much is going to happen and stuff like that." So this is what she said. Why do you always look so happy when you're doing housework? So the lady replied, "Homemaking is a really important job for me because I cook the meals, I clean the house, I keep the house in order so that your father can work and you can go to school and stay healthy and stuff. And isn't that a pretty valuable contribution to the society? That's why I love my job." So while she was doing this, uh, I kind of got thinking that you can also contribute to the world in different ways rather than just doing stuff at home and stuff, because that's just optional, or it is actually cliche, and women choose that on their own and stuff, and they're probably conditioned that way and stuff. And I think as she was cleaning up the house and stuff, that kind of resonated with me and kind of gave me this insight that tidying up is, yes, and extremely important, vital role, which is also important at workspaces and in your personal spaces and stuff, where you have to keep your homes and offices clean and stuff, because that invariably and effectively affects your efficiency and productivity and stuff like that. So there's a set of lines which I have here before me, which I've written down, and it says that every job is essential. It doesn't have to be big. Take a look at your own job. How does it contribute to the company as a whole? How does it contribute to the society on the whole? How does it contribute in a way where you're finding meaning in your daily tasks? And is it really adding to joy and the larger purpose? Is it giving some kind of fulfillment to you? Is it giving you some kind of inspiration to you? Are you joyful about it? Are you looking forward to the next day to do some tasks and stuff like that? These are the questions which you need to address and stuff. And when you find a meaning, when you find a purpose and stuff, that's when the larger picture happens. And when we are happy, when we are joyful, we are emanating positive vibes. The whole environment kind of gets influenced by that and stuff. People have a positive influence on them when we are joyful and happy and positive. And when we are kind of joyful, the whole environment and everything also starts looking that way. Okay. And the fundamental question is, are you enjoying your work or not? Because if you're not enjoying your work, then you're not going to stick in there for too long and stuff. Even if it's a small job, you have to love it. If it's a big task, you have to love it. And I normally say this, that if you've been given a task which you don't like doing and you find it's a challenge and stuff, give it your